Natural amazing ingredients for anti-aging and wrinkles. Psychological stress of various personal and family problems is commonly exhibited as dermatologic problems. Wrinkles are visible furrows in the skin. Wrinkles form as the skin loses collagen, a protein that allows the skin to retain fluids that support a smooth contour. As the collagen tissues under the skin are increasingly damaged, wrinkles deepen and become more prominent. Exposure to ultraviolet light accelerates the process. Reasons. According to some skin experts, facial exercises are probably wrinkle-producing. While exercising, remember not to become dehydrated. Exposure to the sun results in premature skin wrinkling and increased pigmentation and liver spots. Frequently exposure to toxic free radicals from cigarette smoke also contributes to wrinkling. In women, smoking exacerbates skin wrinkling that occurs after menopause. Other factors include poor diet and nutrition, poor muscle tone, habitual facial expressions, stress, lack of proper skincare, and sun exposure. According to some skin experts, facial exercises are probably wrinkle-producing. While exercising, remember not to become dehydrated. Natural ingredients for anti-aging and wrinkles. For achieving naturally healthy skin, drink 8 ounces of water daily. Moisturizing agent. To use ingredients that were agents for moisturizing, retaining, and restoring suppleness to their skin. The use of milk, honey, and oil, for example, were excellent choices. Avocado oil. Avocados are great on a salad. But did you know that avocado oil has superior powers when it comes to slowing down attacks of dermatitis and eczema? Apply it directly to any potentially itchy, red, or irritated areas. Natural ingredients. Here are amazing natural ingredients for natural skin care. Aloe vera, witch hazel, carrot seed oil, frankincense, grapeseed extract, green tea extract, pine bark extract, natural oils, olive oil, shea butter, apricot kernel oil, sweet almond oil, pumpkin seed oil. Exercise regularly. That healthy glow you get in your skin after exercise. Exfoliate to rejuvenate. How do these natural ingredients work? 1. They may stop the free radicals that destroy collagen. 2. Alpha hydroxy acids stimulate the production of hyaluronic acid, which acts as a moisturizing agent. Thanks for watching. For more detail visit our website zealnutri.com.